In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export programming code from Google Bard to Replit. By the end, you'll know exactly how to move code generated by Google's conversational AI into an environment where you can work with it, preview it, and iterate quickly. First, open your browser and go to Google Gemini. This is the chat experience previously known as Bard, and it's where you'll generate the code you want to export. Make sure you're on the main chat screen so you can type a prompt and view the response. The interface may evolve over time, but you're looking for the familiar message box at the bottom and the model's response area above it. Next, type your prompt. Be as clear and specific as you can about what you want the model to build. Mention the programming language, any libraries or frameworks you prefer, and what the program should do from start to finish. If you want to run the result easily on Replit, it helps to ask for a single clearly named entry file, like main.py for Python or index.js for Node, along with any supporting files the project needs. You can also describe inputs and outputs, sample data, and how the program should be organized. The clearer your request, the cleaner the export will be. Once you submit your prompt, wait for the model to generate its response and code. Take a moment to scan the output so you understand the structure, note any instructions it includes, and confirm it aligns with your language and framework choices. When the code looks good, open the More menu on that response. This is typically represented by an icon with 3 dots or a similar label near the message. From that menu, choose Export to Replit. Gemini will package up the code and hand it off to Replit. If you're signed into Replit, a new tab or window will open with a fresh project containing the files it exported. You should see the file tree on the left, the editor in the center, and the console or output panel on the right. Replit usually detects the language automatically and may prepare basic configuration for you. Give the files a quick look to verify the entry point is correct and that the file names match what you requested in your prompt. That's it. You started in Google Gemini, asked for the code you needed, and exported it directly to Replit. With this workflow, you can go from idea to editable, runnable code in just a few clicks.